My name is Gabrielle Epler. I'm with the Luchek Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty. Are you looking for an affordable luxury remodel? Look no further, because today we're at 2626 East 14th Street in Pueblo, Colorado. The first thing you'll notice as you approach this property is the stunning curb appeal. It has a beautiful tile pathway as you walk up to the home, with low maintenance landscaping and a custom arbor at the entrance. This home hosts 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a total of just over 1,300 square feet and parking on both sides. This remarkably remodeled home is coming to the market at an amazing $299,900. Just minutes from downtown, the Riverwalk, Pueblo Community College, and City Park. You have easy access to I-25 corridor, nearby schools, with a neighborhood park within walking distance. We haven't even started with this one. Let's head inside and check out the rest. As you enter this home, you are greeted with the beautiful tile that runs through the living, kitchen, and hallway. You can find the same beautiful tile up the front of the oversized quartz-topped island, accenting the already sleek modern kitchen. This kitchen boasts beautiful quartz countertops, amazing custom tile backsplash, an undermounted sink in the island, as well as gorgeous new appliances. Adjacent to the living room is the first bedroom that could potentially be used as an office or a playroom, or even a secondary living room. Here you'll also find access to a shared bathroom that connects 2 of the 3 secondary bedrooms. As you enter the shared bathroom, you'll notice beautiful updates such as the tile flooring and detailed tile work in the shower tub combo. Take notice of the vanity with the thick, beautiful granite countertop and unique modern fixtures. There are built-ins for storage as well. The gorgeous owner's suite is spacious with soaring vaulted ceilings and leads right into the stunning attached bath with the most phenomenal mirror and light fixtures I've ever seen. The spacious tub has a sliding glass door that gives you that modern feel. Not to mention that massive walk-in closet I'm just in love with. Even though this home has been remodeled top to bottom with excellence, I still provide the buyer a complimentary 14-month home warranty. If you or anyone you know want a personal tour, check out our website or give me a call at 719-287-9389, and I'll see you at the next one.